Today, I'm sharing a very special traditional recipe, Panjiri Pinni. This is not just a sweet, it's nourishment, warmth, and tradition rolled into one bite. Panjiri Pinnis have been made for generations in South Asian homes, especially during winters, postpartum recovery, or whenever the body needs energy and strength. Every ingredient here is chosen with intention, slowly roasted, carefully combined, and deeply nourishing. We begin with ghee, the heart of this recipe. Ghee adds richness, aroma, and helps preserve the pinni naturally. To this slowly roasted semolina on low heat, this step takes time and patience, but it's what builds the flavor. As the semolina turns light golden, your kitchen will fill with a warm, nutty aroma. That's how you know it's ready. Next comes the real soul of Panjiri. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, cashews, walnuts, and pistachios are roasted slowly to bring out their natural oils. Pumpkin seeds and melon seeds add crunch and balance, while dry coconut slices bring subtle sweetness. One of the most traditional ingredients here is edible gum or gond. When fried, it puffs up beautifully and always fry on a high heat in small batches. It adds warmth and strength to the pinnis. Fry the raisins until just puff up. Take out and add to the semolina. Pul makhana are roasted until crisp, light, nourishing, and grounding. Everything is cooled completely before grinding. Nuts, seeds, and coconut are ground coarse for texture, and others fine for binding. This balance is what gives pinni their perfect bite. Once the semolina cools slightly, we mix in coconut sugar, adding gentle sweetness and depth. Now comes the natural binder, dates. Cook gently in ghee, then soften into a rich, sticky paste. Whilst they warm, the panjiri mixture is added and mixed well. The warmth helps everything come together effortlessly. At this stage, the mixture is shaped into small round pinnis, rich, aromatic, and full of goodness. No rush, just warm hands and mindful moments. Once cooled, these pinnis store beautifully and last for months. They are energy dense, satisfying, and meant to be enjoyed in small portions. This is food made with care, food that nourishes the body and comforts the soul. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.